手上，给我一片白云，一朵洁白的想象，给我一阵清风，吹开百花香，给我一次邂逅，再轻轻地牧场，给我一个眼神，热浪滚烫。看我的汉子，你威武雄壮，飞驰的骏马像疾风一样，一望无际的原野随你去流浪，你的心海和大地一样宽广。
Remote control to avoid wrong report. The Chenming director Su coming to my office to discuss about the remote control. He said, "It's terrible to get the wrong report from the client. The program will misunderstand, will wonder what happened in between the client and the server. We're teasing, oh, this behavior will arouse earthquake. Half years until last week. The Monday, the GAC Huang asked to connect the server and the client control because he just accept the new version of CMS CAPP. In Taipei, work as the server, Toufen as a client. There are several errors happened in between. The new version of CMS CAPP, the program allowed 9 PLC and 9 stations. If we don't change the IP address of the FATEC PLC, the original default setting of FATEC PLC is 192.168.0.3. That means we have to set PLC 3 and we have to set control system 3 and then use sync input to control the physical machine. But Huang misunderstanding the number 3 control system. He just put here the page 3 and to use sync input. After the client connect with the server on Taipei, we place Y3, but he always say negative, nothing changed. The number 3 not opened because in the server is page 1, number 3, and the client is page 3, number 3. Page number 3 is 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. 64 plus 3 is 67. Is PLC output 67, not the output 3. It's a big mistake. This is the first one. The second one is the PLC 3 and the control number 3 and the virtual machine on the screen, everything settled down, and remote connections, server and the client, okay. And at the server, change to the teach mode and pressed Y2. We saw the Y3 on the screen of the server already on, become red. One report from Tofen saying Y2 on, and then we type Y5, and he says Y4. What? Until the last one, I press reset. Resets the report should be nothing, but the answer is Y6 up. Terrible mistake. Everything is wrong. At that moment, a big earthquake happened. I asked Huang, do you have earthquake in your place? He said, yes, very heavy. Immediately we hang up the cell phone and finding a place to hide. And later, the report. This earthquake is very heavy. The heaviest place is happened at Hualien Tongmen Xian. The class is 7, class 7. And the 2 building inclined. Okay, after earthquake, we're coming back to continue our test. I ask Huang, then pull out the PLC and pull out the motion control to leave the screen, the computer of the physical machine, isolated just like the normal computers, and connect with the server on Taipei. The reason why I ask so, because before 12 o'clock in Taipei, we already done a testing. 2 computer connected as server and client already. Every I/O, every motion just running normally. If Huang reports wrong, there must be a lie. But terrible things happens. We press after connection. We press Y3 in Taipei. He still say the Y2 is on. The Y4 in Taipei, he say the Y4 is on. Everything is wrong. Immediately, I ask Huang, forget this client computer. Find another computer in your factory. Anyone will do. And doing the same test, use IP address to connect with server, with us as a client. Huang say, oh, wait 5 seconds. Why 5 minutes, not 5 seconds? Then we wait and wait until he say, okay, let's connect. Then we continue to test. In this moment, the client and the server connecting. In Taipei, we placed Wi-Fi. The report in Tofen say yes, Wi-Fi is up. And moving Y2, Y plus 10 millimeter. The report is Y10 as well. Everything is under control. If in these moments, if still not under control, then someone's speaking will broken. Immediately, we stop the testing. Ask the factory to change the controller IPC of the physical machines. And the testing finished because the program is perfect according to Tuesday's reports. No matter on client button become 1 mods or client button equal to 0s mods, the motion, the I/O, everything is okay. If we worry about the wrong report of the client, one suggestion is using cell phone to use Skype. We use my camera to take picture of the I/O screen or the J1 to J6 screen positions, or to take picture of the physical machine. Then you don't need the oral report of the engineer on the client. The truth is truth. Don't worry about the earthquake. The earthquake is coincident. It's a joke.